Look at this. It's pure trickery, I'm telling you.
So guys, we just heading out. You have to get your one man where can work, woman, you know? Ice all over the vehicle. Yeah, man.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So we are just here trying to get ourselves together and do a little bit of preparation because the world is exploding around us and we're just here trying to stay safe and warm. So apparently there is a storm coming that is going to affect half of the United States, and I guess we're going to maybe get some snow, a wintry mix, a lot of ice, and the temperatures are supposed to be in like the high 20s, early 30s or low 30s. And so we got a few things that we need to do, such as we need to do some things around the house. So we need to go to the flooring store. I need to do a little bit of laundry. I need to do some cleaning. And we're going to be locked in the house, just the two of us, and
Just
we need
the
some
two
food.
of us.
Yeah, so we need some food up in this house. So winter is soup season.
Yeah, I couldn't work with some soup.
Yeah, so it's cold outside, and we got a few things to do to get prepared for this storm that's going to be coming. Look at this. It's pure trickery, I'm telling you. You would think that the temperature is nice outside because the sun is shining, and look at that Carolina blue sky. But baby, it's cold. It's cold. It's 45 degrees. It was 25 this morning, and ice was all on the vehicles, but it is cold outside.
Somebody's at the door.
We're at the door because we're about to go to the store. I'm rhyming. So we're at the door. We're about to go to the store. Let me give you guys a little story time. I'm in my office working, and all I hear is boom, 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 boom. You want to tell them what happened?
So, you don't know, me have a barrel when me leave to send go to Jamaica. So, me end up never get to send the barrel. So, me I take the barrel from upstairs, we transfer the barrel from upstairs to downstairs for different purposes, and the barrel kind of heavy, you know.
Let's give her back the barrel upstairs.
Yeah, what should I do? I just unpack the barrel and me I tell you say, Jesus, me just have the barrel and feel like I can carry down the barrel, and then I'm kind of tired too, you know, and
Boom, 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 boom.
yeah, then the barrel just slip. Jesus Christ, the barrel just basically slip out of my hand, guys, and just tumble down the steps and basically damage three of the stairs.
Three of the stairs. So let me show you guys what happened.
So, well, yes, sir, this is a staircase where get damaged. We're frightening you when you're in your office or work.
Right
Yeah.
Boom, 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 boom.
So, this is one we got damaged, guys, and basically it can come off. So, this is how it come off. So, at the front part, this really got damaged.
Yeah.
Yeah, and where you say another one got damaged up there, sir?
Yeah, another one like right up here. You see it there? Right there, So I don't even know how that one happened where it hit that one and then come down here and skip some of the other ones and lick down these two.
That me I say.
I ain't even know how that happened.
Jesus.
Boy, oh boy. So.
But we have to get them repaired. We have to go guys store go see what we get and get them repaired.
Yeah.
Please recording. You want me to shoot it for you? Okay. Huh?
Pick out like whatever we're gonna get.
Okay, baby. It's my baby looking at the plantains. Man got ripe banana right here, so.
These okay? The other day I got some bananas and they was over here in the green banana section. But they wasn't green banana. They was ripe bananas that was just green.
Green, yeah.
Yeah.
You gotta careful.
Yeah.
Gotta
I
be
was like,
careful.
what? You know I was mad.
Yeah.
Those look okay?
Yeah, man.
We're gonna make some soup. So I'm gonna get some corn. And what else we need? We need okra. We need Irish. We need carrots.
And what else you
Maybe
normally
get some
put in
chicken
it?
in it. Yeah, I normally put like chicken, okra, Irish, corn, carrots, onion. We got cock soup and pumpkin soup at home.
Okay.
But we'll figure out the rest.
Alrighty.
Mm.
Say they got everything in the store same way. They got a few empty shelves. People then buy up everything, Tatania.
Finally got vanilla.
Really?
Remember I said they always sell out the vanilla. And I
Yeah.
had to buy like a big bag off of Amazon for like $10.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna get you a couple of packs of these.
Can get one strawberry too.
You like strawberry?
Or
I
that
never know you
peanut.
like strawberry.
Or the one the
No,
right
that's
there.
creamy Malta, almond, carrot. They usually
Almond
have
carrot.
peanut. Oh, peanut is over there.
No, I don't want no
You
peanut.
want one strawberry?
Yeah, I can get one strawberry, yes.
And they got these right
And
here
maybe one
that you like.
yeah.
So they only had 3 left because they always sell out of these too.
Okay.
So I'm gonna get these 3.
Alright. And so they have some rock cake.
Like a kid in a candy store when they have what we're looking for.
They have rock cake.
Yeah,
They
maybe I'm
have
gonna get one more
video
of these.
sausage.
I'm gonna get one more because
Yeah.
they usually don't have
No,
them.
get the
Which one you
the
want?
creamy malt.
Creamy malt.
Yeah.
One.
Yeah.
All right. All right.
We
Let's
just
keep
all
moving.
over in
You
the
want one
way.
of the rock cakes or no?
Yeah, you can't take up 2 of them.
There's 2 in a pack.
Alright then.
Okay. This one.
Can't just take up 2 of them.
Okay.
Since they're 2 in a 1 pack.
Okay.
And may I tell you about the good old Jamaican Bigfoot, Bigfoot. How could we pass the Bigfoot, 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 Bigfoot? So we pick up about 3 Bigfoot. We're outside. Oh, they say we finished shopping.
Finally. Oh my gosh.
It's kind of cold.
It's like we've been in here for 2 hours.
Yeah.
We got what we needed and then some.
And we finally meet. Katanya always been wanting me to meet somebody, and may I tell you, guys, it's so sad I meet the guy in the store just now. But it was a great vibe, you know?
Yeah, one of my friends that I met from YouTube. She lives here and we linked up a couple of times.
Yeah, big her up, man.
Yeah.
Big up yourself. She know herself, man.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah, so Kimar finally got to meet her husband.
that is it. So, we'll load up the carrier. As you can see, a Super G with there. With the Superwoman Catania. So, we'll just load up the vehicle here and keep it moving. So we received the flooring, and of course they are pretty beautiful, as you guys can see, but not just beautiful, expensive as well, because you know expensive go with beautiful, right? And this is the damaged one. May I tell you, guys, you have to just be careful when you're in your house, because I'm telling you, these things are expensive. Ma, I never know that these things were so expensive, but give thanks we could be able to afford them. And yeah, as you can see, I finally get the steps. So we're not gonna waste no time, we'll just install them. So stick around to see what I go on.
We'll try and measure it up now to see where we're going to cut it.
Cut neat and nice, you know. Jack of all trade, you know. One president, yeah man. You have to get your one man who can work, woman, you know. Do every little thing around the yard. So this is the end result, and wow, it's looking beautiful. And unfortunately they didn't have the exact color, so I have to get something that is really similar, which is this one, because they said this one has discontinued because maybe they have it for a while, you know what I mean. But anyway, I get something that is very close. So only thing I have to do right now is just glue the stairs so they hold together. And as I said, this is the end result. Yeah, man. So what do you think, guys? What do you think of my work, guys? Yeah, man. As I say, yeah, we can do a little bit of everything around the house, you see me? So, we just have like a barrel in the house as what I did explain to you, and the barrel just slip and just destroy 3 of the staircase in, and wife is on the road right now. Maybe I have dinner. So when she come in back, she got surprised when she see the staircase and all fix up and looking back perfect, you know. So only thing I have to do is just add these to the side. It's a clear glue. So I'm just gonna add it to the side, and then that is it. When wifey come in, wifey going surprise and love the look, you know. So ice all over the vehicle, as you can see. Ice all over the vehicle. Yeah, man.
Ice, baby.
Ooh, it's crazy. So we got a little bit of snow. It's snowing. Come on, my baby, let's play. Yeah. And that's my baby right here. That's my baby.
It's cold.
It is for real. Ooh, look at the streets. The streets of North Carolina. Woo. Look at the streets, guys.
This is our first snow of 2026.
Mm-hmm.
And maybe the only one we'll get for this winter season.
Yeah.
Baby, it's cold outside.
May I tell you, but it's a good vibe though, you know? We are going to go and go cook some food for stay warm. That is it, man.
Yeah, man.
So, we're out here.
Yeah, somebody been riding up and down the road, so somebody went somewhere today.
Everybody
Even though
been
it's
moving.
a lot of, the roads are bad. They say the roads are bad.
For real. But shit, the peoples know how to navigate through it. They've been navigating from a long time ago. It ain't the first bad snowstorm, you know what I mean?
Yeah, right.
People just know they have to be real careful, you know? Yeah,
Come make we cook some food.
So we're about to cook some chicken soup. So that's the chicken right there with the scallion and thyme. Where I time this. Time, I say a time for we cook everything, you know, Katanya. Time is going. And you know what and what is that, guys. I don't have to explain everything, you know what I mean?
Right. Some okra I need to cut up. And some dumpling right here.
Some dough.
I mean dough, that I already rolled up, so.
And that's the water and the stove.
Yeah, so basically gonna just put everything.
Cock soup and stuff.
Yeah, cock soup and also a chicken bouillon. So, yeah. So, the only thing I'm gonna do is really just put the chicken in and let it kind of cook down a little bit. Or, you know, get it kind of cooking a little bit. And then
go wash your chicken first?
Put everything in there. Yeah, the chicken was already washed.
It already washed?
Yeah.
Alright. So.
And we're gonna see how it comes out.
Alright, do your thing, baby, and show them Chef Catania.
So this is what the soup is looking like. What do you think, babe?
Yeah, it's looking flavorful, baby. Looking good too.
So I'm gonna just serve up 2 bowls.
So guys, as you can see, this is the end of it. Wife can cook, you know, cause I don't know who teach you, Joan.
Maybe. This is a little recipe I saw on TikTok though.
Really?
Yeah. So give me a little taste test.
Let me try it.
You like it? I could have put 2 peppers in there. Because I
real?
like a little kick. I like a little spice.
Nice, man.
Nice. So that is it. This is where we are closing out this video. Hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with us during the blizzard of 2026. And stay tuned for more videos.
No more than do. Bless up, guys.